some white wool and felt it onto the middle to make a belly. Make sure the edges are nice and round. Next, take the red felt and wrap it around the egg. You will get quite a lot of bagginess, but don't worry, you can just pull the extra bits off. Make sure you felt it so it's nice and tight and looks like an egg. This takes quite a lot of time, but the more you felt, the better it looks. Make sure the join between the white and the red fur is really clean and neat. To make the snout, make a rough triangle shape on your felting mat. Use your fingers to help shape it into a triangle, then attach it to the face. It will look baggy to start with, but the more you felt it, the better it will look. It should look like this. To make the ears, form a triangle on your felting mat. It's best to use your fingers to help you make a triangle shape, but be careful not to stab them. Make sure to keep flicking the triangle so it gets felted evenly the whole way round. Now add in a small black triangle for the inner ear. And attach it to the head. For the tail, take a very loose piece of felt and attach it to the back of the fox. Make sure that one end is slightly thinner and pointed. For the nose, roll up a small black piece of felt and felt it together on the felting mat, then attach it to the snout. I used a glue gun to stick on the eyes. Thank you for watching this video, hopefully you enjoyed it and that it helped you to complete your felted fox. Come back next week because I'll be continuing to finish this set with the rabbit. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!